What's up guys, and welcome to the codecam.org. And this video I'm going to show you how to run diagnostics on Dell laptops. So for this demo I'm using Dell Alienware M617R3. So this prices will be same for the most of the models. So now you need to click on the power button and click on F12. Keep pressing F12 until you see this F12 volt menu. So from here you need to select Diagnostics, and this will start running the quick test. This will take roughly like a couple minutes depending on the laptop. Click on yes if you see the colorful bars on the display. We've seen it, so I click on yes. It's testing for the network card. Testing for the fan. As you can see, turn on the fan, so it's working. Now testing for the processor. Now it's testing the memory or RAM. You can stop this process by pressing the escape key anytime if you don't want to wait and cancel the test. But this test is almost done, and it will show you the results at the end. So as you can see, it says no problem found. If you want to run another test, I don't want to run any more tests, so more tests will take more time, and that's it. If there is anything wrong with the main components, it will show you up front. So I don't want to run any test, and as you can see the result, it says all tests passed. So this is how you run the diagnostics, and it's really important when you are going to buying used laptops or other gaming laptops from Dell. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.